and now sharing the box with a Thai guy is just magic.
Oh yeah, you had Honda's best result last season. How can you make that more regular this season? What do you have to do?
Keep pushing myself, and the progress we are doing with Honda are quite interesting, and I will do the best to try to remain the first Honda rider, and that will be the best way also to get the maximum support from Honda for LCR.
Yeah. Any advice to your rookie teammate here?
Sure. I can say to Songkat that always need to keep the fight spirit and don't stress too much when they are out time, but because I can be here to help him to understand the armament on the bike, so I think we can work strong together.
Excellent. ทุกเกียรติอยากจะบอกอะไรกับแฟน
ก็สนามแรกเราก็จะเริ่มกันที่บุรีรัมย์ครับสนามแรกก็จะเริ่มในช่วงปลายเดือนกุมภาพันธ์นี้ในช่วงวันที่ 28 ถึง
Time to arrive prepared for the race.
Right on time for the race in Buriram. One more time, guys. ขอเสียงปรบมือให้กับ Maverick Viñales. Oh, sign some more. Yeah, please do. Please do. Much appreciated. Yeah, get down there, sir. Go sign some autographs. Thank you so much. Yeah. Great to see how in touch these MotoGP riders are with all their fans, and of course the official fan clubs coming out in force here to support at One Bangkok in Thailand. Let's give it up for Red Bull KTM.
Yeah.
Brad Binder. Let's see what you got. Oh.
So there we go, Marco officially on his way. Matt, PK, back to you.
Thank you so much,
Thank you,
Jack. All right, here just in time to welcome our next team. Of course, it is Valentino Rossi's Hertamina Enduro VR40. Okay, as we said, Fabio Di Gianantonio is injured here, but he does have a special video for all of us here. So take it away, Fabio.
Yeah. I mean, I have the luck to and some show when we will be on track. I hope to bring the yellow bike as far ahead as possible and make you all have fun watching races and enjoying watching races.
All right, we're starting with the merchandise. Let's go. Each side.
I mean, we'll try, for sure we'll try. It's my goal, and not my goal, but my dream. So for sure we will try it. Yeah, we started the preseason in a really good way in Catalonia, but also in Malaysia being the top. So yeah, really happy, but we need to continue. Still many things to try, many things to do. Impressive what Jack is doing, like always.
Yeah, I know.
He's the
trying to show you up here.
He's the real showman, so yeah.
Ducati Lenovo team. Here we go.
Double burnout.
Show me. Get back on the bike again. ไม่ยอมกันเอาแล้วสุดยอดครับ This is great. First chance for many fans here to be up close to these spectacular bikes.
And once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is the last team joining us on the stage. The Ducati Lenovo.
All right.
Make some noise.
เชียร์ไปเรื่อยๆครับเชียร์ไปเรื่อยๆครับขอเสียงหน่อยเร็ว Make some noise. Keep it up. Keep it up. All right. One more run up to the grid from Alex and Pecco here. One more round for the fans. Okay.
Is it stolen? What's he gonna do? It is stolen.
You turned it up. Okay. He just went down to say hi. Is it going to be one of the biggest comebacks? Is it going to be the year where you win your 7th World MotoGP title? Is it going to be?
I mean, of course, will be very difficult, especially because we have a very strong teammate. Pecco is riding super good at Ducati, and I need to learn many things to him. But now it's time to listen the bike.
Let's go.
Oh, this is the part I hate. Here we go.
GP25 Ducati Lenovo team bike here.
Oh, they gave away more stuff?
Oh, here we go. Some personalized stuff. This is what we've been waiting for. Here we go. Some signed hats. Pecco and Mark here with the good stuff here from Ducati. Very nice. These guys know how to work these fans. สุดยอดครับ มาอยู่กันใกล้ๆนี่เลยครับ ขยับเข้ามาครับด้านหลังครับปล่อยแฟนๆเข้ามาอยู่ใกล้ๆกันนะฮะติดเวทีครับ
I want one, Matt.
Yeah, that's it.
I want one.
ขยับกันเข้ามาครับ Make your way up to the front of the stage. We're about to create another historic moment here. We're about to invite all of the MotoGP riders up here for a huge photograph, a selfie with everyone here. Okay, please, all MotoGP riders, make your way up here.
On to the stage, baby.
All right. อย่าลืมนะครับผม QR code นะฮะที่เราได้แสดงขึ้นจอนะครับนี่ละมาอีกแล้วครับ right there scan that QR code when you're done taking photos of all the riders scan that get in the draw for the free tickets to the Buriram MotoGP here. Welcome, thank you, Pecco, Mark here, all riders here on stage, please. Yeah, we're gonna get these guys lined up. All right, we believe Jack is still down at the grid here. How you doing, Jack?
Jack, how you doing, Jack?